It's here, the little bottle that makes a big impression. New Ultra Soft, Ultra Downy.
It's ultra concentrated. Who'd have thought this small bottle softens better than this? The most softness of any fabric softener.
A tiny capful did this much.
It's like my ultra detergent. You get so much from so little.
No more big caps.
Or you need the tiny cap of Ultra Downy. It has an extra softener for the extra softness you can really see. Ultra softness. And all that sun-rinsed freshness, too.
This is the fluffiest softness. Ultra softness.
New concentrated Ultra Downy. So much softness, so little Ultra Downy.
Some little things make a big difference.
What's new about the new Ultra Downy Refill? You do not, please do not add water. It's ready to use. Just pour it right in, and you get the fluffiest softness. The new Ultra Downy Refill. So much softness, and you don't add water.